Hello guys, good morning to you all. Happy Sunday. This is Sunday as of when I'm making this video. It was on Sunday, Easter Sunday. The creator, everybody's thinking about Easter. I'm here thinking of what to post for you guys on Monday. Please, you guys should help me by liking this page, okay? Sorry for the diversion. You know I'm not like that. So you another topic is the most topic that creators is scared of. Some people know about it, some people doesn't know. I think if you are an upcoming creator, you may not know that something like this exists on YouTube. For the first time I heard about this topic that I'm about to teach you, it was on YouTube, on Facebook. So rampant over there. Now I want to bring to you guys this topic: YouTube shadow banned. Yes, don't worry, let me explain before you start saying what is shadow banned. I'm here to tell you how you can know that your channel is shadow banned and what you can do to fix it. Okay, don't be scared. I will not be telling you that your channel is shadow banned. I will as well give you solution to it if your channel is shadow banned. A lot of creators fear being shadow banned, yes, on YouTube, but it's important to understand what's actually happening and how to deal with it. Don't be in ignorance. If you are a creator, every creator should get this thing at the back of their head. They should know that something like this exists. All right, let's explain what is shadow banned. Shadow banned on YouTube doesn't officially acknowledge shadow banning. You know, YouTube doesn't officially acknowledge, you understand. I have not come across anywhere that YouTube said this is there is something like shadow banned. I have not really come across anything like that. Maybe in their guideline or YouTube policy I have not seen, but these things exist secretly. It's as if this shadow banned is as if the creator, we are the one that named this thing shadow banned. I have not come across the name on YouTube that there is something like shadow banned existed. Yes, but we the creator is like we are the one that tag it. This is the name shadow banned. Okay, let's go on. When you notice that your channel is shadow banned, is videos stop getting impressions suddenly. Your videos that have been getting impression stop getting impression. Content doesn't show up in a search result, even if when you use your another account, or you use your sister's account, or you use your husband's account, or your child phone to check your content, it doesn't show up. That is when you will know that there is shadow banned. All right, and or your video is not being recommendable. When you go to your YouTube search, if after posting a video, no impression click, no search results, and no recommendation, know that something is going on. Know that your channel is shadow banned. All right, another one to know that your channel is shadow banned is comment doesn't appear publicly. Whenever you have tried commenting on people's posts or on people's channel, your comment doesn't appear anywhere. You will comment, you will not see your comment. It's not, you know, at times, don't be scared. Please hold up. Let me explain. At times it may be glitchy, so you understand. You know, YouTube is saturated, so anything, and you know this thing is just AI that is organizing this YouTube, that is seeing to this recommendation and all that, so they can easily make mistake. Let me use that word. So it's not that if you see me, I have commented on some people posts and the comment disappear. It's not as if I'm shadow banned though, no, because if I'm shadow banned, nowhere, none of my comments will appear in anywhere. So that is shadow banned. You understand? Engagement, likes and view drop for no reason. You know, you have been getting engagement 100 plus, likes and view 100 plus, just drop drastically. You're seeing engagement of 5, you're seeing views of 10. You that have been having views from 100 plus, 200, 1000, now you're getting like 100, 250, 40. You understand? That is when to know that your channel has been shadow banned secretly. They will not come out to tell you, You are the one that will figure it out. We, the creator, termed it shadow band, because I have not heard this kind of English on YouTube. You understand? It's only on Facebook that I used to hear shadow band. So this is when, at least, to be looking for solution that my comments have dropped, your likes has dropped, your views has dropped, so you have to do something to check if it's really shadow banned. So now, when your impression drop drastically, this is what you should do. Go to your analytics, go to your YouTube studio, go to analytics and go to reach and check what is going on. Just check what is really figure. Are you not a creator? You're a creator now. Is it, you do a research, you need to do research too. As you are doing research, check what is really going on your reach. Then if your impression drop to 0 or your click-through rate stays normal but traffic tanks, that is a red flag. You understand? When your impression drop instantly, that you have been having click-through rate like back to back, as in is very high, and drastically the thing was stand still, the thing dropped, is a red flag for you. Please just be running and be looking for what to do to your channel and check what is going on in your channel. All right, second one is no visibility in search. When people are searching your channel cannot be found everywhere on YouTube. Your channel will not pop out. Then search your video title. What you need to do is that go to your incognito, go there and see. Go there to search whether your channel will come out at that incognito mode. If your channel doesn't appear there, you are secretly shadow banned. You need to know what to do about it. Don't worry, just stick with me on this video. I will even tell you how to fix it. Okay, I will tell you what to do to fix it. We are going to somewhere. Don't click out. Please, if this is your first time of watching my video, don't hesitate to like my video. Please hit that subscribe button. Join the family. Okay, just stay. You will gain value from it. All right, if your video doesn't appear even with an exact match, that could be a soft word suppression. I love YouTube. They will not come out to tell you that you are shadow banned and your video doesn't, they will not give you any message. That is why you need to take eye on your channel. And I've been saying this thing, please always visit your analytics. Visit click-through rate, everything there, your reach, your watch hour, everything there. Just check. Whenever you see that your video have started dropping, your views have started dropping, there is no views, your likes, no likes. Now these days, now we have general low view. That one is apart. It's not what I'm talking about. But when you see that something dropped drastically, you need to do something. Now the third one is comments not showing. If you leave comments and they disappear, especially on other channels, your account may be flagged. I know so many people will be scared of this one. No, it's not. See, you have to. If this thing happen to you often, if this thing happen to you all the time, not really that you drop comment, you couldn't see it one time, and but when you drop another place, you will see your comments. No, nothing. You are not shadow banned. All right. But when you drop comment often, you understand, all the time on people's channel and you couldn't find it, your channel may be what? Shadow banned. It may be a red flag. Please look into it. What you need to do, go to others, just test by commenting and see whether it will disappear. Not only on that particular channel that you commented and you didn't see your comment. All right, if this thing happened to you all the time, you may be shadow banned. It's a red flag. You understand? Remember, it's creator that named this thing shadow banned, not YouTube. All right, I'm just telling you what the things to look out for on your channel to know that something is wrong. Okay, then you take precaution and know what to do. That this fourth one is community guideline or copyright strike. When you go against community guidelines or copyright strike, you may be secretly shadow banned. You may not know. This can limit your reach without a formal ban. It can limit, or they don't need to come and tell you. It can limit where your video travel to. Video recommendation will drop. it can limit you, you understand, for your video to travel far. You just be circulating. Even a warning, not just a strike. When they even give you a warning, maybe somebody strike you, you use their content, YouTube now gave you a warning, your reach may drastically come down, limited. Just know that you're on your way to be shadow banned. If that makes sense. Yeah, even a warning can reduce your visibility in search or recommendation. When you, please don't allow YouTube to warn you, because some they will warn you before they strike you. But please avoid these two things. Don't allow the warning to come to your channel, and don't allow the strike to remove one particular content. You understand? Yeah, you may be on your way. Then let's see what causes this shadow ban. What causes all these things that I've mentioned here? Your comments disappearing, your YouTube channel not on the search bar. If somebody want to search your YouTube channel, they cannot see it. Your channel getting strike and all these things. Number one, spamming behavior, excessive comment keyword stuffing, misleading title. If you are the one that will comment on somebody's video 10 times, it is not too good though. We should look into this thing. There's a way my sister, Ify, please pardon me to use your name. There's a way my sister, Ify the icon. Normally, if she wants to comment on video, there's a way she normally puts that her comments. I think that style is very, very good. For you to be commenting one, and that's spamming, no. You are spamming the video. They might shadow ban you. If you put your comment in one, it's okay for you. It will be good on your channel that I've mentioned. Then your thumbnail doesn't signify what you talk about. You're on your way to all these, the ones that I've mentioned in the past, previously. Copyright issue or reuse content. When you have a reuse content, a copyright issue, you're on your way what? Being what? Please say it completely. Being what? Shadow banned. Then mass sub for sub. Hey God, do all these people that are doing mass sub for sub, please, if you're doing sub for sub, 10 is okay in a day. You see, 10 is okay in a day. Don't exceed more than 10. No. Hey, don't go and say you need 20 subscribers today. You are, see, you're on your way to shadow ban though. You on your way to shadow ban. That is why when you wake up in the morning, you will see 0 subscriber. When you have 50 subscribers, please 10. Don't be too ojukokoro. You understand? Don't be too ojukokoro. Remain for others to sub to. If you can sub 10 for today, sub 10 for tomorrow. You understand? Just like that. I'm just giving you tactics now, so use. You know, when you're doing that sub for sub, they will think it's a bot. It's a bot activity that is happening on your channel. Please run. No. Be very, very careful when you're doing sub for sub. 10 is okay in a day. Please don't be too longer. Don't be too glutton. 10 is okay for you in a day. Go by 10. It will help your channel, so that YouTube will not think it's a bot. You understand? That is doing all those activities on your channel that might shadow ban you secretly or without even making noise. What they mean is that misleading metadata is tags, description. Your tags is wrong. Your description is wrong. Is what you're on your way to shadow ban. Please use correct thing on your channel. Any video that you must post, let it coordinate with that description and your tags, please. Very, very important too. This is where everybody is waiting for. Please let me use this opportunity. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscription button. All right? Are you not getting values? Are you not? Please help me. Just hit the subscription button. They will not deduct your money. They will not charge for it. It is free. How to fix it? First, check for strike or warnings. Go to your YouTube studio. Then you go to setting. Then you go to channel. And you go to status and features. Check all these places that I mentioned. Number 2, resolve any issue listed. After checking all those places, or if there is any issue with your channel, please make sure that you resolve it. All right, you know how to fix shadow ban, how you can come out of shadow ban. All right, this is what you are dealing with now. Clean up your channel. Yeah, update titles and thumbnails to be clear and not clickbait. If you have any clickbait title, or if you have any clickbait thumbnail, please update it, or you can change it. Thank God that YouTube, they have somewhere that you can even come and you can change your title sometimes. All right, please make sure that you update it. Okay, then remove or set to private any borderline content, any content that you know that has gone against YouTube rules or has gone against YouTube guideline. Please, what you need to do is private that content. I did not say you should delete, private it. But if it is strike, if they give you strike, please delete it, or copyright. But if you notice any content that may put you in trouble or that may lead to any trouble, please private that particular video. Reuse, you see, you can get in trouble by reusing your clip that you have uploaded on your channel. You know, many upcoming creators doesn't know about this thing. You can get into problem by reusing your video clip. Please, we all should be careful. If you know that you have used that particular clip on the previous video, don't put it on your new video that you want to post. They will term it as reuse video clip. All right, that is why when you reach to monetization, if you apply, they will not give you. They will look for excuse to give you. Please, you will better be careful. Avoid stuffing tags and description with repeated keywords. You see, you need to be changing your keywords. So that is why I said any video that you want to upload, make sure that the keywords is different from the one that you used the last time. It may lead you to shadow ban if you continue using one keyword, one tag in all your video. You are spamming that place, so it's shadow banned. Your YouTube channel is going for shadow banding. We better be careful. Then the fifth one is pause posting. What you can do to fix this thing, if you notice all these things on your channel that I mentioned previously, just take a break of posting. Just post a little bit. You know, guys, you know, pausing for a while, if you have all this problem that I mentioned previously, pausing like 1 or 2 weeks break may even reset the system and helps them to re-enter recommendation. You understand? Then the fourth one is rebuild with original helpful content. Please, there is nothing like your original content. Please just do your original content all the time. You understand? It is very helpful. It will bring your channel back. 5, appeal if you have a strike. If you have a strike, you can appeal if you know that you are not at fault, but you are at fault and you go and appeal. Oyo is your case. So I am not the one that said it. Please watch very well. If they strike you, before you go and appeal and your channel will disappear forever, check very well before you appeal. We have come to the end of this segment, okay? And you can see, please, we creators, we have to be very careful in this shadow ban doesn't have a name on YouTube. We the creators, we are the one that gave it the name of this shadow ban. So I just told you what you should look out for, and if this thing is happening on your channel, you know that is a red flag. And I also give you how to fix it too. Okay, we have come to the end of this segment. Please help me to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment for me. If there's any question you have, please help me to drop it on the comment section till I come your way next time. Remain blessed.